This is my pops, Image by Malcolm.
I come and reign with the unexplained for the brains. So things change, they strain the sling. I'm trained to bring game. History that I arrange, been regained by King James. Go to practice with tactics, with the track hits, theatrics. Women that look like actors to status.
This is the sound of Image by Malcolm.
Yo, just when things seem the same and the whole scene is lame, I come and reign with the unexplained for the brains. So things change, they strain the sling. I'm trained to bring game. History that I arrange, been regained by King James. Go to practice with tactics, with the track hits, theatrics. Women that look like actors to status of Cleopatra's. Stacks of mathematics to feed your Asiatics as I find out what the facts is with geographics. No time to shit modes with hostess. Never mind what the total gross is. I rip shows, stay focused, and split cheese with soldiers. While you hit trees and coasts, I spit flows to be ferocious. And with these explosives, I split seeds for Moses. Shine permanently, only my mind's concerning me. Fire burns in me eternally. Time's eternity. Followers turn on me, or be in a mental infirmary. Determinedly advanced technology better than Germany. Since the first stage you know her, to the last stage is over. I was always a flower, I made waves below her. From a compound to the anatomy, to the breakdown of an atom. Some of my rap patterns still surround Saturn. From the ancient hieroglyphics to graffiti painted pictures. I study, I know the scriptures, but nowadays ain't ambitious. Days back I go
This is the sound of Image by Malcolm.
Now we get our party on, so being beneficent, I bless them with dialogue. Stay expecting the next testament by the God. I roam through battle zones with chrome for chaperone. Blast beat with saxophones, one of the baddest rappers known. Every country, city, and borough, side street and ghetto, Allen Alley and Metal Theory Sparrow, enough to echo. When it was one mass of land, with one national man, and the whole mass was ran under one master plan. Since the world's metamorphosis, and the planets kept in orbit. Turntables we spin off with, but needles never skip off it. Rhythms we express is similar to our ancestors. It'll answer your questions if you understand the message. From the days of the slave topics to the new age of prophets, as heavy as hip-hop is, I'm always ready to drop it. From the mind, which is one of Allah's best designs, and minds that stand the test of time. And I rhyme the 18th letter, the prophecy professor. I stay clever, long as the planets stay together. Bring a praise from Mecca, make a phrase for the better. And new days to remember, always and forever. The 18th letter, the prophecy professor. I stay clever, long as the planets stay together. Bring a praise from Mecca, make a phrase for the better. And new days to remember, always and forever.